I chose Andrean to strengthen my faith in Christ.
Why Andrean? I chose Andrean to get closer to God.
Why did I pick Andrean? So I could be a part of the soccer program.
Why Andrean? So I could set myself up for a successful future.
I just wanted to be a part of a winning program.
Why Andrean? For a quality education.
Why Andrean? I came to Andrean because of the academics and it would look good on my college application.
Why Andrean? Because it's a great college prep school.
I chose Andrean for a better education.
Why Andrean? So I can have a better opportunity to go to college.
Why I chose Andrean? Because I wanted to focus on my career and future for athletics.
I chose Andrean because I wanted a faith-based and challenging education.
Hi, welcome to Andrean's campus. Go ahead and follow me so I can show you around. So as you kind of follow me around, you're going to notice this is our main hallway where the majority of the offices are. So whether that's administration, counseling, or even alumni development, this is where all the core principals are. And to the left of us, you're also going to see our principal, who is by far one of the best teachers on campus. I love taking his history class. Right here is our campus chaplain, Father Jacob. He's currently not in his office, but he comes here every week. Right here is one of the main hallways where the majority of the freshmen are situated. So a lot of their lockers are here their first year. In addition to that, we have two of the science classes. The one to the right of us is actually Coach Skinner's room, who is also the head football coach. And all the way direct down there that you see that long hallway is our chapel. It's gorgeous. In addition to that, right here is actually one of the biology labs. And as we walk down this hallway, we're going to see a lot of the social sciences, business classes, and arts, in addition to languages. And this is Mr. Noho's, our director of admissions. So as we start walking down this hallway more, you're going to see more of the history classes in addition to our psychology classes, which are even mixed with history as well. And now as we start walking down this hallway, we're going to start walking past some of the English classes. One of my favorites is with Mrs. Copa as we just walked past it. And by far, one of the most talked about classes is actually theater. As you see, it's taught by Mr. Conkle. And now as we walk down this hallway, we're going to see one of the art courses, and then we're going to speed our way all the way down to the gymnasium. These are some of the showcases of what some of the art students are getting ready to do for this incoming year. And as we walk down this gorgeous hallway, we're going to see our courtyard. The courtyard's actually in the shape of the whole of what the A is. So our school is actually built as an A, as the letter. And in the middle is actually where some students get to do some time, whether that's open class lectures, which some of our theology or even social science teachers will do. And now if you ask a bunch of the football guys, this is one of their favorite hallways. This is the weight room. And then this is our main gym. You're about to see a lot of our accolades from all the sports that we actually do here, whether that's seeing state to sectional to regional, we have it all. And if you plan on being an athlete here, this is the trainer's room. And now the room we're about to enter is also our small gym. So Andrean has two gyms. So during PE or weightlifting, sometimes we'll use both gyms so that we can have two occurring events, whether that's volleyball in here and basketball on the other courts. And as you see, our beautiful symbol in our newly remodeled small gym. And now it's time to turn it over to my peer, Libby. I hope you have a great day, and I can't wait to see you on campus.
Why Andrean? I chose Andrean for an education that will prepare me for college.
I chose Andrean for the academic and athletic opportunities.
Why Andrean? Because I want to be in a community fueled by innovators.
I picked Andrean because of the athletic and academic opportunities.
Why Andrean? Because I've wanted to come here since I was a little kid.
Why Andrean? For the academic opportunities and the opportunities for college.
I picked Andrean for the small class sizes, challenging course material, and excellent teachers.
Why Andrean? Because I value the relationships that I get to build here.
I chose Andrean for better future opportunities.
Why Andrean? To form a good bond with God.
Hi, I'm Libby Valova. I'm a sophomore here at Andrean, and I'm also an ambassador. Here we do, as an ambassador, sometimes tours for students who are interested in maybe attending the school. So I'm going to continue where Dario left off. In this hallway we have some of our art electives, we have Ms. Spence who teaches ceramics, and we also have health electives taught by trainer. To my right we have our media center and library. We now feature one-to-one technology and we all have Chromebooks, so this is where we can get help and also reach the library. I also have some art displayed on the wall made from ceramics. Then here we have our cafeteria where we feature a hot lunch every day, and we also have a salad bar and other options for lunches. We also include charging stations for our new Chromebooks, so if your Chromebook is dead or needs to be charged throughout the day, you can just charge it during your lunch. That's the grotto where seniors, during their senior year in the spring and when it's warmer out, they could eat their lunch out there. We love the grotto, and it's got a very nice display of candles, and sometimes we can all meet there for mass productions or something of the sort. Down this hallway to my left is where we practice some of our theater productions and perform them. This fall we're doing You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown.
We're doing You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown, which is a musical based off of the famous Peanuts comics. Now, what's different about this musical as opposed to some of the other movies you might be familiar with that are related to Peanuts is You're a Good Man, Charlie Brown is a vignette show. So it is a whole bunch of iconic moments from Peanuts comics combined into one fantastic and exhilarating musical where they take these famous songs from Peanuts along with some new ones, and they tell some classic stories that regardless of your exposure to Peanuts, whether it be the recent movie that came out or it be the classic hand-drawn animated films, you're gonna find something in the show that you're really gonna like. I can promise you that.
And on this whole wall is some Andrean history. It's really cool to just walk by and see all of the different traditions and things that you could still see in the school today. Now we're going to go upstairs and show you some more classrooms and discuss some of the other things you can participate in at Andrean. In this corner we have some of our science classrooms continued that aren't downstairs. And we also have some of our math classes down this hallway, and at the very end is our religion classes. As a student, there's a lot of clubs and extracurriculars you can participate in if you maybe don't want to do sports. We have clubs such as Student Ambassadors, YARC, and you can even make your own. So Andrean offers a lot of different opportunities for you to get involved.
So Andrean Robotics Club, which we formerly call APERC, is a club that focuses on engineering and robotics, where usually we build robots using the VEX system, and this year we also code, and sometimes we're given tasks to try to figure out like real-world problems for engineering, and we try to figure out solutions to those tasks like you would in the engineering field. We also explore certain engineering fields, and we go into what each engineering field does, so it gives us like an opportunity to have an idea of what, if we want to do this in college, what we would be doing.
I think it's important because it gives you a way to network and get to know your classmates. You know, you're not just going through school, just your 7 classes and going home. It's just like a sports team, you know. It gives you an opportunity to expound on who you are further. And it gives you a chance to get to know the people that you interact with every day. And it's almost an outlet for your passions and your roles in the school, and possibly gives you an opportunity to discover what you want to do further in the future and in your life.
I think it's important because it allows you to expand your diverse experiences, right? So whether you're in diversity community and you're learning about people's different cultural paths, or it's, you know, in debate club and you're honing in on your debating skills, or it's even ambassadors program and you're learning how to do public speaking. I think these are all key components that marry each other really well, right? It builds a leader, and that's what clubs are meant for. Is it helps you become someone, better than what you would have been by yourself. It's a team effort.
Now that we're nearing the end of our tour, if you have any further questions about the school, visit andreanhs.org or contact our Director of Student Admissions, Jim Nohos. Thank you for coming to visit Andrean. I hope you loved the tour, and I hope to see you as a student here at Andrean. Go Niners! Bye.